Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning and welcome to this video where I'll be sharing my experience with the Mastering QuickBooks Online course on Udemy. If you're a small business owner or an aspiring bookkeeper looking to streamline your accounting process, this review is for you. The purpose of this course is to provide a comprehensive understanding of QuickBooks Online, one of the most popular accounting software used by businesses worldwide. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to navigate the software with confidence and accuracy, saving you time and effort in managing your business finances. This course is ideal for small business owners who wish to take control of their financial records and gain a deeper understanding of their business's financial health. It is also beneficial for bookkeepers and accounting professionals who want to expand their skill set and offer QuickBooks services to their clients. The course is structured in a clear and concise manner, making it easy to follow for learners of all levels. Here's a brief overview of what you can expect. 1. Introduction to QuickBooks Online, a step-by-step guide to setting up your QuickBooks account and navigating the main features of the software. 2. Chart of Accounts Setup. You'll learn how to create a customized chart of accounts that reflects your business's financial transactions, enabling accurate tracking of income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. 3. Bank Reconciliation. The process of matching your bank statements with your QuickBooks records, ensuring that your financial data is accurate and up to date. 4. Invoicing and Receivables. How to create professional invoices, track customer payments, and manage your accounts receivable to ensure timely collection of payments. 5. Payables and Expenses. Strategies for managing your accounts payable, tracking vendor bills, and making timely payments to maintain good business relationships. 6. Reporting and Analysis. A deep dive into the various financial reports that QuickBooks offers, such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. You'll learn how to interpret these reports to make informed business decisions. 7. Advanced Features. A look into some of the more advanced features of QuickBooks, including inventory management, payroll integration, and budgeting tools. I found this course to be incredibly valuable for anyone looking to master QuickBooks Online. The instructor's teaching style is clear and engaging, making even the most complex accounting concepts easy to understand. The course is packed with practical examples and exercises that reinforce the learning process. The structure of the course allows for a gradual progression from the basics to more advanced topics, ensuring that learners have a solid foundation before moving on to more complex concepts. The course also provides plenty of resources and support materials, making it easy to refer back to specific topics when needed. If you're looking to gain confidence and efficiency in managing your business finances using QuickBooks Online, I highly recommend checking out the Mastering QuickBooks Online course on Udemy. With its comprehensive content, easy-to-follow structure, and practical approach, you'll be well on your way to mastering this powerful accounting software.